let's take a deep breath of fresh air and step into the garden, where words bloom just like flowers. Today, we're learning plant power, words from the garden. Let's explore the green world around us and grow our vocabulary one leaf at a time. Look around. What do you see? Plants everywhere. But every plant has parts that help it live and grow. At the bottom, we have the roots. They hold the plant to the ground and drink up water from the soil. The stem stands tall, carrying food and water all through the plant. Then come the leaves, wide and green. They make food for the plant using sunlight. The flowers bloom bright and colorful to attract bees and butterflies, while fruits grow to protect the seeds inside. And those seeds, they're tiny, but when planted, they grow into new plants. Amazing, right? Now let's grab some gardening tools, because every little gardener needs them. We use a shovel to dig holes, a rake to gather leaves, and a watering can to give our plants a drink. There's a hoe to loosen the soil, gloves to protect our hands, and shears to trim branches. Each tool helps make gardening easier and more fun. Let's not forget the different types of plants that make our garden special. We have flowers like roses and sunflowers, colorful and fragrant. Trees like mango and coconut, strong and tall, giving shade and fruits. Shrubs like hibiscus, short but bushy. Vines like ivy and beans. They climb and wrap around things. And grass, the soft green carpet covering the ground. Every plant has a purpose, giving us food, air, shade, and beauty. When we take care of them, they take care of us too. That's the power of plants. So next time you're in a garden, try naming what you see. Roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Pick up a gardening tool, plant something new, and watch it grow. Because when you plant words in your mind, your knowledge grows too. And hey, if you enjoyed this garden adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to School Subjects Online for more fun learning videos. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep your garden and your mind blooming bright.